If you're looking to keep your truck running on all cylinders without having to feel or go through any hesitation when applying the throttle, then take a look at the Range Technology AFM DFM Disabler. Simply plug the module into the factory OBD-II port and take back full control over your throttle by disabling the AFM or DFM. Once connected, this disabler will instantly work without the need to reset anything. The kit is also available in 3 different colors, allowing you to choose what color to have slightly light up your footwell area. Now this module is not a tune, so it is not permanent. It can be removed at any time you wish, or if you plan on getting the truck serviced. Simply remove the module from the OBD-II port and get your truck taken care of. If you are concerned about the module leaving a trace when it comes to getting your truck serviced, not to worry. Once the module is unplugged, it will be as if it was not there. All the factory settings will still be intact and operate normally. So if you're looking to have full power from your truck at all times, take a look at the Range Technology AFM DFM Disabler and take back the power that is yours.